In my last video, I gave you the prompt to find a winning CPA offer. Today, I am going to show you the exact 50-word test script you need to use to make sure people actually click it. I am going to show you my dashboard so you can basically see the result. All right, so basically you can see my dashboard right over here. I have generated $598.23. That is what you can see right here on my dashboard. Now, if I come over here and reload the page, you can basically see that the money is entered. And if I go up here and I reload the page as well, you can see that the money is also entered. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and take you step by step. This is 50-word super script that you need in order for you to make sure that, okay, the audience you are bringing in as traffic are eventually going to click your landing page. So I'm going to take time to explain basically what you need to know in your CPA dashboard before you proceed, because if you don't understand these basic things, you eventually will make mistake in the process. So right over here, for those of you who are just beginners, this is monetization tools and this is offer tools. And in monetization tools, this is where you create content locker, you create digital item by locking what digital item you have in monetization tools, so that once the audience can get value from those digital item, you earn a commission from CPA network. So they are giving you an opportunity to monetize what item available you have. But in the case of the offer tools, they are giving you the offer itself, promoting a particular company. So between the two of them, they are promoting their own company or the advertiser company on the offer tools, while in the monetization tools, you are actually monetizing your own digital content like a photo, video, or even ordinary articles, okay, like blog posts. So as long as you are able to give value in your content or your digital item, then you're going to earn money or commission using monetization tools. So that is the same thing. In the case of offer tools, you don't need to monetize any of your own product, but you're going to be promoting other people's product that is already monetized in CPA network. Right. So we have postback tools, we have referral program, payment centers, and so on. Basically, these are some things that you need to understand. Account settings, you can just click on it to set up your account. While in the payment center, this is where you enter your bank account. Okay, either domiciliary account for those of you who are not in the United States, okay, or UK. Then, if you have PayPal account, you can also come here and place it right over here. If you come down right here, you're going to also pay attention to basically what other marketers like you and I are making on daily basis. Okay, if you pay attention right here, this guy made $116.99, and if you come here, this guy made $33, $10, and this one made a whooping good amount of money. Okay, these are just earnings that you can make also. Now, for you to make this money, you need to work hard. You need to make sure that you apply what you are taught and what you are grabbing, the value you are getting from this video. When you implement them gradually, you are going to get massive results. Okay. All right, guys. So basically, I'm going to take my time to explain something that you need to learn from this video. Now, most beginners, they fail because they just post naked links or write click here for money or click here to get this or click here to get that. And at the end of the day, you find out that nobody want to click what you have, right? That is exactly what you need to understand. It's a big mistake that a lot of people are making. A lot of big marketers, they are making this mistake over and over again. And at the end of the day, they fail to get results. Okay. So, but in this video, at the end of this video, you are going to be able to change the narrative. You're going to be able to understand why they are not clicking whatever link you are sharing. Okay. Or maybe when they click, they are not taking the necessary action they are supposed to take. that is required of them to take. Because any CPA network is not pay per click, it is pay per lead. So when they click, they need to take action before you get a commission as a marketer. So that is one thing you need to understand. If you are able to bring in somebody to click your link and you could not make the person to actually take those necessary actions required of them, then you are not going to earn the commission you are expecting. Okay, you are going to be seeing click, 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 but there's no lead. So the only time you are going to be happy that okay, what you are doing is working is when you see that leads, the number in the lead column is increasing. All right. So that is exactly what you need to understand. Okay. So another thing you need to understand is that you are promoting your CPA offer in the USA. You are promoting your CPA offer in the UK. Now, you are targeting this UK and US audience, but do you know that these people are very smart because they have seen a lot of spam every single now and then? So, most times when you post something, they can easily sense it and say, this is another spam, and they will click away or they will just scroll and pass. So you're not going to get results. That is one of the things that this video is going to solve that problem for you. At the end of this video, you are going to be able to see exactly how you can be able to make the UK and US audience to see reason to click your link. Because of course, you and I understand that it is not easy to make someone to just click your link without having any value attached to it. For example, someone is just scrolling and watching video just in a way of entertainment, and you just pop up your link and say click here. Nobody will click it. So somebody need to see, let me click this because I need this. Let me click this because I need that. Let me click this because I need this. So when they click, because they need something, they are going to want to go ahead and enter the email address, enter their phone number. They will enter this information for you, and then you boom, offer converted. Then you make a commission. The CPA network get their own value as well. All right, guys. So basically, when you want to make sure that you change the narrative and ensure that the audience who you are targeting have reason to click your link, is for you to make them emotionally be able to make them to understand the reason why they should read that first sentence and also want to click and take action. So the first sentence in your post, before you post on Facebook group, before you post on WhatsApp or anywhere you are targeting your audience and the traffic source, the first sentence is considered as hook. You have to make sure that you are able to hook them. And hook is the emotional grab that you are going to grab this audience. So if you are able to emotionally grab the audience attention, and the audience will say, okay, yeah, it's like, I need this, right? So they will want to wait and see what you are doing. So the first way to actually hook this audience is by asking a question related to that particular offer. So you need to ask a question, and the audience who may not probably want to answer the question, but because you put a question there, it's going to ignite the emotion and hook the audience. Okay. So the second sentence in your posts, remember that your post could be around 50 or 25 or 100 words. Okay. And they're going to be in different lines. So the second sentence should be immediately give value. Okay, you have to explain what the offer does. What will the offer do for this person if he clicks this particular link? If this person click this link, what is he going to gain? What is he going to achieve? What will be his benefit? Now, when you are writing, don't always think of your own benefit. Think about the benefit of the audience, because that is the emotional grab that you are going to use in order for you to get what you want. Okay. So for you to be able to get what you want, you have to give them reason that, okay, if you click this link, you're going to get this, you're going to get this, you're going to get this. Okay. That is the value that we are explaining right in the post. All right, guys. So the next step is concluding your post. First of all, when you concluding your post, this is where you need to utilize that opportunity to share what you actually have and the link you want them to click. If you want them to download something, you put the link right there. So the sentence 3, you have to state the action that the audience will take. The action that the audience will take, you have to tell them exactly where to click. If it is your Google site, if it is to download image, if it is to download a video, and because this is where they are going to take action to get the value you have given to them right over here in the third step. Okay, the second step. So if you are able to give them the link, this is where they will now click and say, okay, if I click this link, I will get this, right? Emotionally grabbed already, so they are already on your landing page. They are reading it and they are staying behind to understand what you are sharing. Now, wow, you are giving us this. For example, if I click this link, my data will be multiplied. If I click this link, I will be given a smart Android phone for free. If I click this link, I will be given one SUV vehicle. If I click this link, I will be given a house key. If I click this link, I will be given just like that. You are going to be giving value every single post you are making for your audience. In fact, you must understand that part very well. So once you are able to grab these 3 options, then boom, guys, you are already on the winning side, because these audience are going to be hooked and they are going to see massive value you are sharing with them. And at the end of the day, they are going to, in return, click the link. And once they click the link, you will now earn a commission for that, guys. All right, guys. So now that you have understood the logic behind the post and how you are going to be able to grab their attention and hook the audience that you are targeting, depending on the country, because another thing I'm going to be revealing is how you are going to be emotionally understanding what to target and how to grab a particular audience in a particular geolocation. So it is not the same logic you are using to grab people in the United States you are going to use in grabbing people in the UK. So because of this, I will make another video and give you an idea of how you'll be able to understand and grab this attention based on geolocation. So, but first, after you have created your posts, you have grabbed your offer links, you have your offer link. If it is 10, 20, you need a bridge page. Remember that we cannot do anything when it comes to marketing, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and so on, email marketing, without a bridge page. So you need a bridge page like a landing page, which is using Google Sites, as I've explained in my previous video. So once you come over here, you paste the first link of the offer, you paste the second link of the offer, and then you paste the third link of the offer. So once you have done that, then the next thing you're going to do right now is to publish this landing page and grab the URL of this landing page. And then after that, you now come to the traffic source where you are going to be getting this audience. This is where you are going to be creating the post. And this is where you are going to be generating the traffic and targeting the audience. So from here, the audience will look at your post and get attention. And once they see this, okay, this is good, let me click on it, and then they are hooked already. Alternatively, if you don't want to use blogger.com, you can also come here and use just paste it, just paste.it, which is paste it, and then you are just going to go ahead and paste your post right over here. So pasting what you have created. Remember, we have 3 sentences. The first sentence is the hook. The second sentence has to be the value. And then the third sentence is the action where they are going to click. Okay, you are going to explain that or paste the link of your landing page below this, which is the third part, and that is the action. After that, you are going to come over here and click on publish button, and boom, guys, you are already on your way winning. But guys, how many of these traffic sources are you going to be creating? How many of these traffic sources can you actually post in a day? Or how many of these traffic sources can you actually post in a month? And basically, before your post will start ranking and all of that, how much money would you make in a day? It's a big question. It is because it is so time consuming and so exhausting. In fact, manually finding this type of groups and where to post is very, very stressful. So many people are not able to do this. And that is why I have decided that I am going to go ahead and design a custom direct traffic system that will personally help you. Okay. This is what I use myself every single day. So instead of stressing yourself out and spending hours struggling to hunt down the right audience, my system streamlines the whole process so you can route out the right traffic directly to your CPA offer much faster. Okay, and of course, if you want to understand the exact step-by-step process of how to drive this direct traffic, if you want to get access to the master class where I will be sitting down with you one-on-one, okay, hold you by your hands directly and walk you through the entire setup, then go ahead and hit on the link below this video. Connect with me through WhatsApp, DM me, and I'm going to go ahead and respond to you directly. My WhatsApp number will be in this video description. Okay. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and turn on the bell icon so you can get notified once a new video is published. This is Macro Hustle TV. I will see you in my next video, guys. Peace out.